sinabi mo about sir, na gusto mo magkaroon ng marketing head for each project. Hindi ba ang problema nun once the project is finished, hindi ba mag-relax ng decisions? Kasi that was the problem. I mean ako, first year ko na naging CEO. After those decision, naging lax na yung company and kumonti na yung mga CROs na dun sa next project.
And thank you for pointing that out. But what I can say about that, can't they join the other groups now? Now that they're finished, they can. Nobody's saying that they can't work anymore. I mean, they can still continue marketing, helping the other team, the other marketing team, and they can merge with them and pick up with where they left off. I mean, kung kunwari tapos na yung Synesthesia pagkas kunwari wala na silang gagawin, hindi man sila bawal pumasok sa ibang marketing teams.
Okay, yes, hindi nga sila bawal pumasok sa marketing team, pero the fact na nag-group ka, meaning mag-work na sila doon, parang sinabi mo na after the project na to, okay, wala kayong gagawin. Yung next group na yung bahala sa and let's face it, hindi lahat ng CROs parang, okay, gusto ko talaga marketing araw-araw. Gusto ko marketing every weekend, every hour. Hindi ganun. So, paano gagawin para mag-keep active yung mga CROs tapos na marketing system
kasi yung question niya yung point, parang in theory or planning, okay ba yung setup, pero implementation problema. So, iba yung naging translation niya sa actual na nangyari. So, how would you address that?
I think I don't have a ready answer for that, but I think now that you've mentioned it, if they are not going to market, we have lots of members in the externals cluster, and what they can do, when they're finished with marketing, they can teach the lower years, the sophomores, the freshmen, and they can teach them how to market. So next year, at least they're not being last. And they're not, nandun lang, mga galing na CROs yun, sayang naman, ang gagaling nila nakapag-market. Kaya, ipasa naman natin yung skills nila dun sa mga sophomore at mga freshmen. Because sila naman yung magkukontinue ng mga nagawa nitong mga graduate na CRO. I mean, yung mga tapos na magtrabaho. Basically, tutorials for the others, mentoring, like what Jack is doing for the class right now. Yung mga future na externals, at least may alam na sila, pagpasok nila next year, marunong na sila mag-market kaya na nakakaganda yung maghawak ng sponsors.
Okay, so situation, it's Abits this year. So we all know that there was a low turnout of participants. I mean of the audience members. So Escaler Hall, and there were only probably 20, 30 seats filled. Okay, and your officer promised the sponsor that there would be a lot of people. So I'm the sponsor, I'm at the event, and I ask you, so what happened to the promise that you gave me that there would be a lot of participants? How would you explain yourself?
How would I help you?
Yeah, how would you explain what happened?
Actually, ma'am, the planning was great and the intent was good, but it just so happened that there's a lot of tests right now. The other years are taking up their. Wait, scrap that out. That's a bad explanation. I think. I haven't thought about that. Sorry.
Are you going to tell that to me when I've already put in money into the project that you haven't thought about what was going to happen, any contingency plan?
First of all, I'm not going to make that promise. Why would I make a promise like that?
No, that's what
I'm selling,
convinced me to put money into the project.
Okay. So, what am I gonna say to the sponsor? I'm gonna say to the sponsor that actually we can try having you again for make another promise on our next event and try, for example, Abits. You can assuming for example the ID conference after Abits, you can try ma'am our ID conference and. We have planned better for that event, and I think we can make up for what yung mga kulang namin doon sa Abits. Babawi lang yung sa ID conference and try yung tingnan yung result ng nangyayari sa ID conference.
Do you have any concrete plans for the
Yeah, music creatives. Actually, like what I said, I'm going to partner with other organizations in Ateneo. So, for example, I'm going to try to partner with the com department, ACOM, and what other designing organizations. And they can try teaching our, what are they? Can you repeat the question?
Anong plano mong gawin sa
Designers.
Actually, yung sagot mo is parang makatulong ka sa kanila, di ba? But currently, meron tayo sa kanila graphic designers. So what do you intend to do about it? It currently hinahandle sa designers.
Okay, actually, I can form a partnership with the e-services because I'm sure they have members who are they have good people to design adapt with computers, and we can ask for help from the e-services department to handle hold tutorials for the designers pool, so we can have better talks and better marketing visuals.
Last one na yun. Paano mo maigaan yung mga tao na sali sa public relations department?
Public relations.
And paano mo make sure na nagagamit? I mean, na pag nag-work sila at yan, they hold true to their point na mag-work sila.
How can I make people work with the PR?
PR, especially the socially oriented.
So actually, I'm gonna delegate. I'm gonna delegate people.
So, mag-assign ka lang para kung ikaw,
Yeah. I'm gonna delegate people there. And I'm gonna monitor them. And I have my competent AVP to help me monitor them.
Just clarification. Based on our application form, you said that by micromanaging the jobs of our members, we may be able to execute our roles. The role of the VP is not to micromanage, but to macromanage.
Actually, I explained that explanation thing. Micromanaging whenever the need arises. I think
So,
somewhere around.
the need is, given a specific need that you think the VP should micromanage.
Actually, when we handle the whole CRO pool when they meet, I should be present there, and that's like micromanaging. And I'm teaching, I'm giving one-on-one consultation with them, and I'm telling them what.
It's not actually micromanagement. It's part of your job.
And actually, the updates that they give to me, I should monitor that closely and see what's the progress.
So you have to explain to me what micromanagement is for this week.
Micromanaging. That's how I see micromanaging.